wide variety of fungi live in and among plant roots. And actually, a lot of these fungi form networks of hyphae, or tiny little hairs that actually kind of join and hook up with plant roots, and they actually help those plant roots increase their surface area, and they actually work together with plant roots to help them exchange minerals and water in a more efficient sense. And actually, a lot of plant roots have very specific nooks and crannies in their roots that harbor specific beneficial microbes that might help that plant, again, better absorb nutrients, have more surface area to their roots, which help them absorb water, and a wide variety of other things. And so, at a very basic level, if it weren't for all these microbes in the soil, the plants around us would have a much harder or an incredibly, really impossible job at growing.